Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I'm going to be filling you in kind of where I'm at in terms of what type of videos I'm going to be making over the next several weeks while I prepare and pack for my upcoming move. Now, if you don't know about my upcoming move and you're like, what are you talking about? Well, I'll link the video up here where I talked about it. But basically, Bob and I are selling our home. And we're selling it to my daughter and her fiance, and they are going to be buying this and moving in the beginning of June. We're going to be moving into an apartment, townhouse, complex type living on May 25th. So I have started my packing process, and so one of the comments on that video that I just linked above, Julie's Main Life, Julie asked me about giving some packing tips and some packing organization tips since she's going to be doing a big move coming up soon. So I'm just going to show you a little of what I've done so far in today's video. I'll take you around and show you what I'm doing for some packing. I have some boxes that I've had on hand to keep things in. I'm using bungee cords to keep the covers on nice and secure, because when we're having a moving company, so you're gonna want your boxes to be secure, and of course you can tape boxes. It's just gonna help when I have the movers take things. Now I have bungee cords over these boxes, these plastic bins, because I have so much in here that the covers didn't want to stay on really secure. So I use the bungee cords, and I get I think I have 18 inches, 24 inches. You can get them a little bit smaller than your normal bungee cords. And I'm just using them to secure those bins, which will stay packed that way when I move. I'll store them in the garage because one is winter decor and then the regular home decor. Well, I'll take that out as I go along to try to, pull stuff out and decorate. I also have put some books in a bag, and I have stuff that the movers are just going to take, and I'm going to have 3 or 4, probably 3 areas in my home where the movers are going to come and take boxes and, furniture and things like that. Now, we're not going to take a ton of furniture with us. I'm leaving my dining room here, and I'm leaving these little nook type areas. I'm leaving all the furniture upstairs. I am just taking a sleeper sofa that I have up there that we will put in a second bedroom, which will be a spare room and also a guest room when I need it. But I will show you a few boxes that we picked up from Home Depot. They're like a medium-sized box, and I'll show you so you can see. The boxes are all, flat right now. These cost about $4 or $5 a piece. They're not bad. Bob bought 10 of them, and I've already started them to use them. But I've gathered my stuff out of my living room. All my decor items are going to be going into one of these boxes. And I'm also, while I'm doing this packing, I am getting some things together that I'm going to give away. I asked my daughter-in-law Monique if she wanted my Christmas set of dishes, and she does. We're not going to be doing the entertaining like we once did. Julie's going to be taking that over, and she's going to have a ton of stuff that I'm leaving behind for her. So, I figured rather than give this to savers, let me see if my daughter-in-law wants it. And, I don't want to pile everybody up with stuff, but this was kind of something that I thought she would want, and she does want it. So I'm putting those kind of things in boxes to drop off at some point for them. So if I were to give you some tips, it would be to start early as possible, and start pulling things together that you want to give away. I'll take you around and I'll show you some boxes. I've already taken like a bunch of boxes to Savers a couple weeks ago. I'm starting new boxes that I will take once I have 5 or 6 boxes of stuff for Savers. I will do a trip over there. But start to get your items together, and then when you put them in your boxes to pack, things that you know you're gonna take, label them. Like I've labeled, you know, miscellaneous home decor, and then I have winter home decor, and you know, I'm trying not to take as much stuff. This is a huge house, and I have been decorating seasonally for quite a while, so I have accumulated quite a bit of stuff. And we have all of the stuff outside, you know, plastic plates and cups and tablecloths and all this kind of stuff that we use outside that I'm not going to be using because we are not going to be entertaining outside. We don't have a backyard. We have a beautiful landscaped community and area that we're going to be able to use and walk around in, and you know, go to restaurants and go to different things. So it's going to be a different lifestyle. So, but I'm going to be leaving a lot of my stuff for outside behind, and that's what's so nice about this, is that I can leave it for Julie, and I can still come and enjoy doing parties here and get-togethers here with family. So it's the best of both worlds. So anyway, I'm gonna walk around. I'll show you what's going on upstairs. I am in the midst of redoing that bureau that I showed you in the video that was linked at the beginning of this video. And so I'm having a bit of a hard time. There are the 2 bottom drawers of that bureau. The hardware has a different, they're not 3 inches. So the hardware that I bought for the other drawers doesn't fit there. And I tried to order some online with Amazon that I thought were the same. They're not the same, and they didn't fit. So I have to return those. Like, which I bought them from Lowe's, and Lowe's doesn't have that size, so it's kind of weird. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. So that's kind of a dilemma, but I'm not stopping my project. I am going to paint the rest of the bureau and everything, and the mirror and everything. So that's in flux. I also want to paint 2 end tables, and I'm going to be painting my bookcase. So I have those projects going on. I will take you along as I go through all of this stuff, you know, over the next several weeks. But obviously I am not going to be doing spring decor. You can see behind me that this little wall unit here, I have some spring decor in there, but that is because I am leaving all of these items behind for Julie. So I've just kind of chock-a-block, I filled it up. She can do what she wants with it. For now, for the next several weeks, I'm not going to be doing any decor videos. Obviously, I'm not going to be, you know, decorating. I'm going to be taking stuff down, and the house is going to look really bare. I'll show you in the living room, the mantle is completely bare. So I'll take you around, I'll walk you through what's going on right now, and then just to prepare you for the upcoming videos, like you saw the petting zoo video, I'm just going to be basically doing what I can so that I can still bring you videos over the next several weeks. And then once I'm in there, once I'm in the new place, I will obviously take you along from moving in day, how it looks, and then we'll go through all of my decorating endeavors. I am really excited about it. I have the whole week off after we move in, and then I have a few days the next following weeks leading into the 4th of July. So between moving in and Bob and I doing things, I'm definitely going to have videos for you. But if you have ideas or questions or things that you want to see during this whole process, let me know. It's kind of hard right now to think about what I want to do for videos because I have so much in my head about things that I have to do to prepare. Like I've called my electric company and got all those dates lined up for when I want to shut off here, when I want to start there. Did the same thing with my Verizon and my internet and TV, and I have to take back all these boxes because they're old and I'm going to be getting new ones at the new place. So my water dispenser guy, I have to give back my like dispenser that I've been renting for the past 20 years, and I'm like figuring out how to use up all the water that I have now and not get more. And so I had a conversation with him yesterday. I've had the plumbers in this morning because I want to spruce up some things, you know, make sure that when the kids get in here, they don't have anything to worry about. They're obviously going to want to do painting, and I want to be able to, you know in my heart of hearts that I've left everything as best as I possibly can for them. So anyway, guys, that is probably going to be the extent of this video. I'm just going to take you around and show you the different areas that I have already started my packing and my removing of things from the walls and stuff. I did one complete room almost upstairs, and that room is kind of empty. Well, it's emptied out. That's going to end up being the baby's room, and I know they want to get in and paint in there. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I just need to kind of get, you know, my brain to compartmentalize what I need to do. So I'll definitely be sharing and taking you along with me, but you'll have to bear with me with the types of videos and the length of the videos that will be going on for the next few weeks. So keep on watching till the end of the video. I'll show you, like I said, a few of the areas I'm working on right now and what's going on. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing and checking it out. Check out my prior videos so you can see what this channel is all about. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.